In this video, I want to show you the seed stitch pattern. Basically, this pattern is a knit one, purl one, and when you flip it over to do the back, you would actually be knitting the purls and purling the knits. So as you can see, my next stitch here is a purl. So I would actually knit this stitch. Then the next stitch after that is a knit, and I would actually purl this stitch. This is a very simple knit, but it creates a complex look, and it actually can be confusing. So you just have to kind of pay attention that you are knitting the purls and purling the knits. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a hat. This is my Shades of Dahlia pattern, which will be in the link below. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items in this video are in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.